Uh-oh, we have a hole in the wall. What will we do? Good thing we saved the scraps. Woo! We want to patch it up. Good thing we got our old sheetrock. Take a paint stick here. All we want to do is stick it in the wall just like that with some screws. Then we can screw the sheetrock straight to it. Have easy repair and mud it up. Let's see. Make a hole there. A hole there. Now we have a nice little piece of wood to secure the sheetrock to. Just lay it right in place and screw it in. Looky, looky, we got little paint sticks going right up our hole. Now we're ready to lay the sheetrock in. Looky, looky how pretty it is. We have the sheetrock screwed in using the paint sticks. Woo! Now we have some mud on the wall. After we sand it and paint it, you'll never know. Alright, it is all done. Ready for sand and paint. Good to go. Woohoo!